Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Allora token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do you want to research for the investing? According to the white paper, Allora is an open intelligence platform designed to make artificial intelligence system more adaptive, collaborative and efficient. The network enables users and developers to access and contribute to a collective layer of intelligence where multiple AI models are combined, compared and refined in real time. Launched in 2024, Allora was developed by a team of engineers and researchers with experience in large-scale blockchain and AI infrastructure, including contributors to projects such as Chainlink, Layer 0, Consensus, and more. The protocol operates as an intelligence layer that coordinates the outputs of many different AI models to produce a single optimized result. This structured this structure allows models to complete and operate within a decentralized network, continuously improving as more participants contribute data, insights, or model outputs. Allora token total supply is 785.49 million and circulating supply is around 200.5 million Allo token. Allo token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bitget, Binance, and other exchanges. So if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.